The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. Namaskar, good morning, and happy Independence Day to all the respected dignitaries, all respected HODs, and all respected faculty members, and our most valued attendees. I Rishikesh Mukesh Matre from BE Chemical.
And I, Akanksha Mukesh Matre from Chemical. Welcome you all to Virtual Scholarship Distribution Program organized by Garda Institute of Technology of year 2019-20. I also welcome Mr. Satish Shinoy sir, who is a managing trustee from Garda Foundation, and we also have with us Mr. J.K. Patil sir from HR and Administration of Garda Institute of Technology. Welcome sir. They will join us soon.
Before moving ahead, I would like to request everyone to kindly keep their microphones and video camera muted so that the background disturbances can be avoided for the smooth functioning of the program. And I also request all the participants to turn on their videos whenever their names are announced. And I now request Satpute sir to give us more information about our program.
Respected Managing Trustee Dr. Chanay sir, Dr. J.K. Patil sir, Honorable Principal Dr. Garat sir, Registrar, all departmental HODs, all faculty members, and my dear students. Good morning and happy Independence Day to all of you. Now we are gathered here for the distribution of JIT Merit Scholarship Distribution Ceremony. First of all, I will say that every year we are distributing this JIT scholarship in the month of March. But for this year, due to this COVID-19, it was not possible to distribute in the month of March. So today we are going to distribute this JIT Merit Scholarships. So first I will say that this JIT Merit Scholarship was started by Garda Institute of Technology, that is the Garda Foundations, as a social responsibility and by keeping some objectives. So first objective is to provide the financial assistance to the poor and needy and meritorious students. Second, to attract the meritorious students in JIT. And third, to create the healthy competition among the students. So by keeping this, and so Ghada Foundation, that is the institute, have decided some the criteria for the JIT Merit Scholarship. So first criteria is the students should get first 60%, 65% marks in FE and 60% marks in second year and third year, having annual income less than 12 lakhs. So by considering these criteria, we have prepared the list of the meritorious students, and for this year, 43 students are benefited for this JIT Merit Scholarship, and we are going to distribute 4,34,000 rupees to the students in the form of scholarship. So I congratulate all of these students which are, those are eligible for the JIT scholarship, and we will continue this scholarship distribution ceremony on today. Before that, I will request our Honorable Principal Dr. Garat sir so address the students on account of these ceremony functions. Okay. Rushikesh, can I announce Dr. Garat sir?
Thank you, sir. Now I request Principal Gharat sir to share his wisdom among us.
Thank you, Rishikesh and Akanksha. Good morning, all. Good morning, respected Managing Trustee, Mr. Shinoy sir, Mr. J.K. Patil sir, all head of the department, faculty members, students, and their parents, those who are available online, and my dear friends. As Satpute sir has already mentioned that due to we normally distribute this scholarship in the month of March, but due to COVID situation, we were unable to distribute on the time. And all of you are already aware of that, how it is spreading not only in India but all over the world. So just considering this fact, we have decided to have this program online. And I welcome especially all these students, and I congratulate them by coming online from various places. Second most important thing is today is Independence Day, and that's the reason we have chosen this day as an for online distribution of scholarship. Another important point I wanted to mention is that every year GIT students are maybe since 2007 they are really doing very well at various places. And I can name few students, those whom I already met. One of the students, Mr. Vithoba Malgunkar, who passed out in 2016, who is independently handling sand reclamation plant in Kolhapur and who is running by uh, Professor S. Sanjay Mahajani sir. There are many, I think there are many, even there are a few students in mechanical department, there are a few students in EXCC department, those who, many times those who visited the campus and give a knowledge or rather share their knowledge to our students. And I hope this motivates to our current students, those who are in second year, third year, and final year, even those who have passed out recently, though the exam is still in has yet to be placed. Uh, we have a tradition every year to distribute this merit scholarship based on the CGPA, which is obtained for various branches. And as Satpati sir has already mentioned that the amount is almost 4 lakh plus, right? I think this is really good amount as far as students is concerned, and as far as that not only financial assistance but as a prestigious things, me as an individual or me as a student throughout my life. So I hope this scholarship will not only give you a financial assistance, but at the same time will give you some value to your career, to your life, right? So that when somebody goes for interview or somebody goes down the line 10 years or 20 years, you will feel definitely you will feel proud. I think yesterday night when I keep this photo as a status, Mr. Sandesh More, who passed out in 2017, and sent me a message that sir I was a part of GIT Merit Scholarship. So he was a 9.9 pointer. So I feel proud being a faculty member of GIT. So I wish bright future throughout your life. Those who are passed out this year, and I give a success to your life, so that you should not stop somewhere because of these pandemic situations. You work hard, right? And I think if you work hard, I think nobody in the world will stop. So with this note, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share my views in front of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, Rishikesh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we begin with scholarship program. We begin with civil department. From second year, first scholarship is secured by Miss Baing Tejasri Deepak with aggregate of 8.17 and scholarship money is 12,000. Second scholarship is secured by Mr. Khandekar Vinay Vijay with aggregate of 7.56. Scholarship money is of rupees 10,000. Third scholarship is secured by Mr. Pawar Ashish Dilip with aggregate of 7.44 pointer with scholarship money of 8,000 rupees. From third year of civil department, first scholarship is secured by Miss Madhvankar Saili Shamu with aggregate of 8.3 pointer Scholarship money is of amount rupees 12,000. Second scholarship is secured by Ms. Chavan Shriya Sunil with aggregate of 7.9 pointer with scholarship money of rupees 10,000.
Hello, Akansha, एक मिनिट थांबा. Hello.
हाँ सर.
Instead of first rank, second rank, instead of first scholarship, second scholarship, third scholarship, remaining rank, first rank, second rank, third rank. Okay.
First
Okay.
rank is secure.
From third year, third ranks is secured by Miss Pawar Sanika Sanjay with aggregate of 7.68 pointer. Scholarship money is 8,000. From BE, first rank is secured by Mr. Shirke Rutik Rajesh with aggregate of 7.6 pointer. Scholarship money is amount 12,000. Second rank is secured by Mr. Chitke Riaz Munawar with aggregate of 7.44. Scholarship money is of amount rupees 10,000. Third rank is secured by Mr. Weingarkar Kaustubh Babli with aggregate of 7.43 pointer. Scholarship money is of amount rupees 8,000.
Now, I'm going to announce the most prestigious scholarship, that is late Dr. P.S. Ramanathan Endowment Scholarship, which is given only to one student who is having consistent performance from first year to third year examination. So, this year the scholarship is secured by Mr. Sarkar Gautam Gaur from BE Civil, and his aggregate from first year and second year, first semester and second semester is 8.87, third semester and fourth semester is 8.43, fifth semester, sixth semester is 8.22. The total aggregate is 8.50. The scholarship amount is rupees 10,000.